You can also sort questions within the filters. We have already set our filters, so now let's take a closer look at the sort options and the icons. Click on the drop-down menu and you can sort by easiest to hardest or hardest to easiest. Let's select hardest to easiest. You will see a thermometer icon. The difficulty thermometer is a rating that corresponds roughly to the proportion of students who get a question wrong. Ratings are based on actual student performance data and are assigned only after a question has been answered at least 50 times. Ratings are continuously updated as more students answer a question. Ratings range from 0 to 100, with 100 being the most difficult. Now let's sort by misconception alert. A misconception alert appears when students have answered a question in a consistently incorrect way, not related to the question's difficulty. Questions where your class has consistently answered a question incorrectly in the same way is tagged with the class misconception icon. These questions are listed first when sorting for misconception alerts in the question library. Questions where all Prep Year users carry a misconception about the material show a universal misconception icon. When sorting by misconception alert, you'll see these questions listed after the class misconception questions. Questions identified as both a class and a universal misconception will be tagged with both icons and will be listed after class-only misconceptions and before universal misconceptions. You can also sort by private reserved questions. Private reserved questions are permanently blocked from students' view in practice quizzes. Private reserved questions are created by the Lippincott textbook's test generator. They are intended for faculty to use in assignments of their own creation and their discretion. If you don't want your students to see a particular question that is not private reserved while practice quizzing, enter a check mark in the Hide from Practice Quizzes box. Uncheck the box to give students access to the question again. You can mark any question as reviewed for tracking and filtering. Checking this box will help you keep track of which questions you have seen, examined, or evaluated, and which ones you have not. The final option is to sort by questions with images. You can also see that this question exists in another collection. When you click this icon, a pop-up shows the names of the collection or collections in which it resides.